namaste and good day everyone. I Rohit Madan welcome all of you to today's edition of Polymer Bazaar News, exclusively sponsored by Samak Enterprise, a 20 plus years old polymer trading house based in Ahmedabad. Samak Enterprise deals with all kinds of polymers and has carved out a niche of its own in the plastic raw material industry due to its quality offerings.
Today we will discuss the latest development, weekly report and future trend of PP for 4th week of February 23. Beginning with propylene monomer. In USA, on FOB US Gulf Coast basis, propylene monomer assessed stable at 51 cents per LB. Then Europe. On CIF Northwest Europe basis, propylene monomer assessed lower at 910 euro per metric ton. On FD Northwest Europe basis, propylene monomer assessed lower at 920 euro per metric ton. After that, Asia. On CFR China basis, propylene monomer assessed lower at $995 per metric ton. On FOB Korea basis, propylene monomer assessed lower at $965 per metric ton. Commencing with international bazaars. Firstly, USA. This week saw stronger PP demand in the plastic raw material trading outlets of the USA. Despite higher demand, the availability was ample, so the prices remained range bound. The latest quotations for overseas offers were reported higher at $1,270 to $1,320 per metric ton on FA's Houston basis. Thereafter, Europe. FD Northwest Europe basis current import offers were quoted stable at Euro 1,260 to 1,270 per metric ton. Subsequently, Middle East FOB basis latest offers assessed stable at $960 to 970 per metric ton. After that, FEA. CIF basis prevailing quotations assessed higher at $970 to 980 per metric ton. Later, China Bazaar. There are many bearish factors in the bazaars and the effective demand is cautious. The short-term PP spot is facing resistance and the overall trend is still dominated by decline. Overseas offer for China main port. Propylene grade PP 110 MA 1000 PP AV 161 1070. Now before we proceed for Indian Bazaar, you are requested to like and share this video, and if you are new to this channel, please subscribe our channel Polymer Bazaar. Also hit the bell icon to get latest notification for next insightful videos on polymers price. Coming next to Indian Bazaar. Latest overseas offers. The last PP offer were quoted higher than those of the previous week. Overseas suppliers offered PP Raffia T03 of the Chinese make Oriental Energy at $1,080 per metric ton for late February 23 shipments with payment terms of 20:80. About the latest rate revision. In the price revision on February 16, 23, Indian producers kept their ex-works prices flat. Recent customs exchange rate. On 17 February 23, the Government of India raised the custom exchange rate by 0.90 points to INR $83.65 per US dollar for imports. Eventually buying pulse. Pessimism was all around the PP bazaars due to the lack of adequate sales of the finished products, and that triggered a sense of gloomy mindset among the processor, preventing them from engaging in active raw material procurement. On the other hand, traders have tried to woo buyers by offering discounts, but the success rates were minimal. Again, traders were informed of the dwindling stocks of PP, TQ and random grades in Delhi, Kanpur and Hyderabad bazaars this week. Open bazaar rates of Mumbai. PP Raffia 103, PP lamination 108, film TQ 106.50, injection molding 105.25, co-poly 111.50, random 114.50. Last but not least, purchase opinion. The demand pattern is expected to reverse in the coming days and the pricing trend is heading towards a firmer trend. So buying is advised at current levels. That is all for today's news telecast. I, Ankita Surana, is signing off. Till then, good day.